Welcome back to another M&S Food Fresh Market update. Chris and I are here in the heart of Northumberland where they produce this select farm beef. What have you got planned for us today?
It's my spicy beef tacos.
Oh.
First thing we've got is this amazing M&S Aberdeen Angus beef. It's absolutely packed with flavour, and we're just going to go straight in with the mince. Nice sizzle on there. We just want to brown that off. When that gets to a brown stage, what we've got is this M&S Fajita mix. Just scatter a whole pack in. Good old tin of chopped tomatoes. Couldn't be any easier than that.
So simple.
So simple. Taco, 30 seconds on each side. Little spoonful of that on there. Just made up a really simple salsa. Or you can use a brilliant M&S shop-bought salsa, a little bit of sour cream, and it really is as easy as that. So there you go, that's my M&S spicy beef taco.
I'll go and rustle up the others then.
Great, I'll put some more together. Here we go.
Wow, these look amazing.
Dive in.
We've loved meeting farmers from all over the UK who supply M&S fresh food. Look out for more Fresh Market updates soon.